We're off in the nick of time.
Just in the nick of time.
Looks like just in the nick of time.
In the nick of time means just in time at the last moment.
You will keep an eye on Frodo, won't you?
Two eyes.
Come on, keep an eye on him cork, Billy.
I'm gonna keep an eye on him.
You? Keep an eye on means to watch or monitor closely.
They really make my blood boil.
Deceit! Your accusations are enough to make my blood boil!
Make your blood boil means to make someone very angry or upset.
He's not your cup of tea at all.
Does that mean you can't wait to get out there, or that it's not your cup of tea?
Not your cup of tea means something you don't like or enjoy.
Your father must be over the moon.
I'm over the moon, yet I'm under the stars.
And I'm really over the moon for both of you.
Over the moon means being extremely happy or delighted.